Good morning, class. Today in this session, you're understanding about some of the important questions from third semester paper 3 Biomolecules for the academic year 2023 and 24. Here, some of the expected questions that you can study for your first internal test. So these are some of the questions which comes under 2 marks. Zwitterion, mention the role of buffer used in agarose electrophoresis, isomerism in carbohydrates. Name the deficiency disease caused by vitamin D and C. Give example for purines and pyrimidines. What are nucleotides and nucleosides? Students, keep in your mind, you need to answer only for 2 marks. So reduce the information. Okay. You can write more information for 5 marks and 8 marks. Here, we need only the information which is required for 2 marks. If you know the contents also, don't write too much. 2 marks questions, answer that is more than enough. Write the cyclic structure of glucose. What are anomers? What are carbohydrates? Give example. What are amino acids? Give example. What are proteins? Give example. What are lipids? Give example. What are vitamins? Give example. What are monosaccharides and disaccharides? Peptide bond, saponification. Give the functions of proteins. Isoelectric point, pK values. Write the alpha amino acid structure. What are saturated and unsaturated fatty acids? You can take screenshot of all these questions and you can keep ready the answer. So these are some of the expected questions, comes under 2 marks. Now let us focus on 5 marks questions. So question number 1, what is electrophoresis? Write note on SDS page. What are essential and non-essential amino acids? Give the classification of carbohydrates with example. Give the structure of glucose and fructose. Mention the biological role of carbohydrates. Classification of polysaccharides with example. Explain the structure of tRNA molecule. Classify the amino acids based on polarity of the side chain. Explain biological role of carbohydrates. Explain biological functions of phospholipids. So these are some of the 5 marks expected questions for your internal test. Next one is 8 marks questions. So in that question number 1, what are fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins? Give detailed account on their dietary sources and their biological role. Give the detailed classification of carbohydrates with suitable example. Briefly explain Watson and Crick model of DNA. Describe classification of lipids with suitable examples. Write short note on rancidity and hydrogenation. Classify the proteins based on chemical composition. So these are some of the expected questions which comes under 8 marks. I hope today's important questions discussion will really help you out for your internal test. So these are 2 marks questions. Take screenshot and get ready with the answer. Then 5 marks questions, then 8 marks questions. Okay, kindly do not neglect any of these questions. All these questions are important for your university examination also. Keep all the answers ready in your notebook and you can refer that one. I hope this video is very useful for you to show your academic excellence. Thank you everyone for being with me and being a part of this video. This is Dr. Prathibha KS signing out for the day. Stay safe, stay connected. Thank you everyone. I'm sorry for the delay in giving these questions because I was not feeling well and due to a personal commitment, I couldn't fulfill your expectations. Thank you everyone.